Good morning, all of you. Welcome to MDM Children Academy, Class 5. Our today's topic for Class 5 English chapter course, Chapter 2 Exercise, Conjunction, But and Or. That is regarding your course chapter. But we have to further use of but and or. So I think we do a topic of it, right? So let's start with conjunction. What is conjunction and what we call it? Okay, conjunction are known as joining words. Conjunction are known as joining words. The join words part of sentences. They join words part of sentences or sentences together. Okay, we called it joining words. The words but and or are connective words. We use to these words connect group of words or sentences. Understand? So let's talk about but and or. Let's start. Conjunction of use but is used to introduce something contrast. But is used to introduce something contrast with what has already been mentioned. Which already been mentioned. And is used to connect the same part of speech, clauses or sentence. We can say and is used to connect the similar part of the sentences. Understand? Or is used to suggest that one possibility can be realized. We can say it is choice of alternative. Choice between one or two options. Understand? If I say you, we use and for adding information, or for giving alternatives, and but for different information. Understand? I make you understand with the help of example. I said the dog is faithful and intelligent animal. Similarly talk कर रहे हैं ना हम. The dog is faithful and also intelligent. So faithful and intelligent दो वर्ड है जिससे हमें कनेक्ट करने के लिए कौन सा कनेक्टिव यूज करना पड़ा? And. Understand? Next example we take connective but. I want to go to play. I said I want to go to play, but I am sick. But I am sick. Two sentences. I want to go to play. I am sick. Two sentences. We join condition but. But I am sick. Understood? Third sentence we take for or. I say, is it Friday or Saturday today? Is it Friday or Saturday today? Understand? I am making you understand. I take alternatives of two things, Saturday and Friday. Understand? Let's we talk about the conjunction of joining words, conjunction of joining sentence parts, and conjunction of joining sentences. So you will easily understand what I am talking about. So let's go further. Conjunction can be joining nouns, joining verbs, joining adjective, and joining adverbs. Understand? As I say, but show to contrast, and show to addition, and or show to choice. Okay? But show to contrast, and says to addition or similar, and or say to choice or alternative. Okay? So now we have to go further for our rules, which I'm saying conjunction joining nouns, verbs, adjective, adverbs. राइट इन सबको ज्वाइन कर सकता है कंजंक्शन, चाहे वो 2 नाउन्स हो, चाहे वो 2 वर्ब्स हो, चाहे वो 2 एडजेक्टिव्स हो, चाहे वो 2 एडवर्ब्स हो. सो कंजंक्शन इन्हें ज्वाइन करता है. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट कंजंक्शन ज्वाइनिंग वर्ड्स. I am giving you here example of conjunction joining words. I said we have a house, we have a garden. I give you two words for joining the sentence. In order to join these sentence, we use a conjunction. I'll say we have a house and a garden. दो words थे मेरे पास, एक garden और एक house. Understand? For joining two words, I use we have a house and a garden. Understand? Conjunction joining words. Now talk about the conjunction joining sentences parts. Sentences parts. So we take 2 sentences. The fisherman is walking along the beach. The fisherman is walking along the beach. First sentence. Second one. Sentence part चल रहा है ये. The fisherman is carrying a lot of fish. The fisherman is carrying a lot of fish. So I'll join like this. The fisherman is walking along the beach and carrying a lot of fish. Understand? The fisherman is walking along the beach and carrying a lot of fish. Understand? Sentences part to how to join. Now talk about conjunction joining sentences. I said he was intelligent. He was intelligent. Second sentence is he was not hardworking. He was not hardworking. So I said he was intelligent but not hardworking. He was intelligent but not hardworking. So we use here conjunction joining sentences. Understand? I think well understand. Conjunction are used for many purposes. Understand? And you can also easily joining now nouns, verbs, adjective and adverbs. So hope you did. Hope you will. Understand? I'll give you exercise. You have to do it. So इसी के साथ आपका कंजंक्शन का टॉपिक ओवर. हैव अ नाइस डे.